to living luxuriously for less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. And if you are looking for some graduation, celebration, inspiration, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I decorated for this college graduation, give you guys some helpful tips and tricks along the way. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. Okay, you guys, a lot of you have asked me about where I find inspiration for my designs, and I promise you guys, it is just divine inspiration. I bought these last year. I used them for an event. And this year, I just had the idea to put them on top of the wine glasses like a graduation cap. And they fit perfectly. So I've already done one side of the table. And I'm going to do the other one the opposite direction. But just allow, your creativity to rule and reign. I don't think it's really any wrong way. You just design until you feel it. There are some principles that I'll teach you guys in Lux Academy, but the most important thing to remember is to design until it feels right for you. Okay, you guys, so I want to share with you how much cutlery and a place setting adds character to your table. So here's a table that all we have down are chargers and napkins, and that does make your table look fuller as well. We do have chair covers, and I have the chair backs coming, so I'll show you guys that process too. But this is what it looks like without a place setting on the table, just a glass and a charger and a napkin, which is more than what some people do. I just want you guys to see what it looks like without all of those things. And I have some cutlery from Posh Party Supplies, and what I like about them is that their cutlery actually looks real. It's like faux china, and with the current situation in the world, I prefer to have faux china so that everybody can throw everything away when they finish eating. I do like to mix it sometimes with real glasses, but they do drink out of the cups, the faux cups, but I just like to mix it sometimes. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like complete. Okay, you guys, so here is what the table looked like fully set. Doesn't that look amazing? Do you see the difference in the design? I'm going to stand over here just to show you the difference in the two. So absolutely incredible. It does come with the I think this is the dinner plate, and then it also comes with the dessert plate or the salad plate and the cutlery. I love this cutlery. They also have like some modern cutlery that I used before, but that is just really popping off of this sequin black tablecloth. I will leave a link to them down below, but if you're having a wedding or a graduation party or some sort of celebration and you want to use faux china, you guys, this is the way to go. Like, they have so many different designs, so many different colors for baby showers, weddings, graduations, you name it. And I absolutely love this set, the black and gold. It just looks so great on the table. So what do you guys think? Which one do you like better? A table that is more simplistic or a table that is set? And it just doesn't add that. It's not that costly. You're going to use it anyway. It creates, more of double duty decor. And it just makes the table, in my opinion, look incredible. If you guys are interested in securing some of this beautiful faux china, I will leave the link down below along with my code to save an additional 15% off, and that code is Melanie15. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. I know you guys are loving the decal that is displayed on the walls. And although I love beautiful backdropping and beautiful flower walls, I did want to do a little something different because you see so many rooms that are fully draped these days. And so I wanted to add that decal on the wall, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights off a little bit later. But I just felt like that just brought a party atmosphere to the room, and it can be achieved with a projector and the decal of your choice. Detailing is everything when you're planning an event. And for me, I definitely wanted this graduation party to match the personality of the nurse that had graduated. She is a very simple but elegant, sophisticated young lady. She doesn't like too much, but she doesn't want it to be too little. She basically likes for the design to be just enough. And I feel like, by adding the graduation caps on the head table, really personalize the event. The candle lights, really added a lot to the event. The feathers gave it a really, really nice party feel, and then the balloons, in my opinion, just really took it to that next level, along again with the detailing on the walls that were projected on the walls. I just feel like it was just absolutely gorgeous. I showed you guys that shopping luxuriously for less will enable you to do so much in a space. And the graduation hats is a prime example of that. I purchased those last year for 90% off. They were $1.99 and I got them for 19 cents each, and they just added so much to the head table. Now the feathers, you can purchase these at eFavorMart. I will leave a link down below. Maybe I should just do like a little list, like shop the look here, so you guys can see all of the details and all of the items that I used in this party in that particular list. So that's what I'll do. Also, adding photos of the graduate to the table will make it very personalized. And she had taken some graduation pictures, and I just felt like, adding those photos to the table just really brought so much character to the space. And I did that in lieu of doing table numbers. Now you could put like a table number at the top of the photo, but I wanted her to be able to reuse these photos or gift these photos after the party. We also had a bar, and I added the balloon garland, and I thought it was so gorgeous next to this backdrop. Y'all, the backdrop was everything. I love the floral wall I got from Rose Morning. I will link that below as well. And I just wanted to leave that middle area open so that the backdrop, the flower wall, could definitely be seen. And then if you looked at it from the head guest table perspective, you would see the same amount of beauty from the front of the room to the back of the room. When designing a space, I think it's so imperative that you design it so that no matter what angle you're taking photos from, it'll look good from every angle, which is the one mistake I made in this design. I should have put something on that back wall, but I was not thinking. So that was one thing that I definitely wish I could change. But once the guests started to enter into the space, I wanted it to feel very personal. Again, I used her graduation picture. I had it mounted, added a balloon garland. I just thought it just really, welcomed people into the space nicely. We also did the food out in the hallway. That saved a lot of space inside of the room as well. And we kept everything covered until it was time for the guests to eat, and we had everything served. And then for the cake table, she wanted her favorite cakes instead of like a traditional graduation cake. So I was able to use those hats again as toppers. And then we had the card box on the cake table. So it served as a double duty guest table, and advice for the graduate table, and a gift table. And here is what the party looked like without the lights. I'm going to give you guys some nice listening music so that you could enjoy what it looked like the night of the event.
Talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I
watching. If you enjoyed this content and you would like to see more, please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on that big red subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. I will see you guys at the next video, and until next time, it's Melanie. Cheers!